Hello and welcome. This video is about introduction to Java. So if you are a beginner and you want to learn about Java, just keep watching this video. My name is Tanzil and you are watching The Tag. Java is a secure and a high-level programming language, and it is object-oriented as well. If you don't know about object-oriented programming, click on the top right corner and check out my video on object-oriented programming. Java was developed by Sun Microsystems and was released in 1995. Java is a platform independent, which means it can run on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Unix. Java is simple, secure, platform independent and object oriented. We will discuss other features of Java in our upcoming videos. Now let's get into details. As I told you, Java is a secure language. By using Java, we can protect our application from hackers and we can fix bugs in our source code as well. For security, a set of code is used to strengthen the security of applications on the next level. Now talking about high-level language. High-level language is something which is written in human understandable words. So Java provides high level of abstraction and focuses more on logic. High-level programming is easier to learn and implement as it uses simple English language words. Object-oriented programming. It is associated with the concept of classes, objects and some other concepts. Well, object-oriented programming is a vast topic and we will discuss it in a different video. Platform independent. It means if you have written a Java program in Windows operating system, you can run it on Linux as well. Although Java Virtual Machine will not support in any other operating system rather than Windows, you will need another runtime environment. So that is all. Don't forget to check my other videos and I will see you in the next video.